Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Not sure if you caught it or not, but Dan Fitzpatrick from Stock Market Mentor, the founder of the website, was actually on Fox Business today with Charles Payne talking about the market, talking about the railroads, and talking about home builders. But the guy who was on before him mentioned this stock, and I apologize, I don't remember the gentleman's name, but lovely fella, and he had said that he liked ZIM shipping. And so I pulled up the chart as I'm waiting for Dan to come on, and I thought, oh, okay, yeah, potential bottom fish opportunity. Now, in 2022, this stock was actually a pretty good performer here. You can see how it chugged up nicely, and they even had some special dividends as well, which was nice for, hodlers of this stock. If I zoom out, you can see it's kind of like a rainbow pattern, which I don't know is an official pattern, but I'm naming it that because we have this huge run off of the low and then, massive move, and then it just kind of gave it all back like most things in 2022. But it has found a little base of consolidation over the past month and a half or so. So we see this short base of consolidation and a potential move to the 50-day moving average if it can break out of this base. Now, here's the thing. This stock has rallied to the 50-day before only to get rejected. Got rejected way back here. You can see this wedge pattern I drew. Rallied to the 50-day, big pullback. Rallied to the 50-day, big pullback. Again to the 50-day, where did it get rejected? Yeah, same story over and over. And so if I was to look at this pattern here, what I would recommend is, probably having a stop loss kind of around this base, right? Like a close below this level. You probably want to get out of the way because then it's coming down to test this low from December the 19th. But if this can continue and possibly break out of this base, I could definitely see it rallying about 15% higher to the 50-day moving average. The only thing is, does it hold? And if it doesn't, well, then I think you got to get out of the way. So I would watch for a breakout of this range and then see how it reacts if it can get back up to that 50-day moving average. If it does work in your favor, I'd probably want to move up a stop to break even as soon as possible. Then no matter what happens, you're not taking any major losses, and that's really going to help your account, especially to kick off 2023. So I would want to see a kind of bottom fish opportunity here. I wouldn't want to see it break down below this base, and I would want to see it break up and ideally crest and hold above that 50-day moving average. But even if it does break up there and get to the 50-day, probably going to want to lock in some profits and then, like I said, stagger some stops. So no matter what happens, you're not taking any big L's. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to see what we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, take a trial, and I hope to see you on the other side.